Want to become a cruise ship bartender? Let me be honest with you. It's not just about knowing cocktail recipe. Working on board is fast, pressured, and very different from what you see in training or school. Hi everyone, my name is Tintin and I share tips and guides about cruise ship jobs. If you're serious about becoming a bartender on board, these are the small things that will actually help you survive and succeed on your first contract. Because a lot of people fail not because they don't know drinks, but because they're not prepared for the real setup on board. So today, in this video, I'll teach you the exact cocktail hacks and real life tips that can help you survive and succeed as a cruise ship bartender. First, don't memorize everything. Master the basics. When I was starting, I thought I needed to memorize every cocktail, like hundreds of recipes. And honestly, it can get overwhelming. But here's the reality. You don't need to know everything. You just need a strong foundation. Start with core cocktails like mojito, margarita, martini, piña colada. These drinks will help you understand flavor balance, mixing techniques, and basic bar workflow. Once you understand this, it becomes easier to pick up other drinks on board. And trust me, on board, you learn more through repetition than memorization. Second, accuracy over guessing. This is where many beginners get it wrong. On a cruise ship, you don't guess measurements. There's no freestyle when it comes to alcohol. Everything is measured. You'll be using jiggers, measured pour, spouts. Every drink has a standard amount of liquor. Why is this important? Because it controls inventory, keep drinks consistent, and follow strict company policies. If your pour is incorrect, it affects both quality and operation. So train yourself early, practice using exact measurements. This habit will make a big difference once you're on board. Third, speed is everything. Now let's talk about the real challenge. On a cruise ship, you will serve hundreds of guests every single day. And it doesn't stop there. You're also making drinks for bar servers at the same time. So imagine this. Orders coming is nonstop. Guests waiting. Bar servers lining up. There's no pause. It's continuous. That's why you need to be fast, organized, and focused. Start practicing now. Fast pouring, smooth shaking, quick garnishing. Even if you're just using water, it's okay. What matters is building your speed and muscle memory because on board, speed is not optional. It's expected. Fourth, work clean and stay organized. Here's something many beginners overlook. The best bartenders are not the flashiest. They are the most organized. On board, your workspace is limited. You don't have time to look for tools or fix mistakes. So your movements should be clean, consistent, and efficient. Examples: keep tools in the same place, follow the same routine, and clean as you go. This helps you avoid stress and maintain speed during busy hours. If your station is messy, you slow yourself down. Fifth, presentation still matters. Even during busy hours, presentation still matters. Guests notice clean glass, proper garnish, and overall appearance. Even a simple drink can feel premium if it looks good. Remember, guests are paying for the experience, not just the drink. So don't sacrifice presentation completely, even when it's busy. 6. Communication equals more tips. This is where you can stand out. You're not just making drinks, you're interacting with guests. Simple lines like, would you like it strong or light? I recommend this. It's very refreshing. Being friendly and confident creates a better experience, and better experience equals better tips. Even if your English is not perfect, just be clear, polite, and approachable. 7. Stay calm under pressure. There will be moments when everything feels overwhelming. Orders everywhere, guests waiting, pressure building. This is where many beginners panic. But experienced bartender stay calm. They don't rush blindly. They stay focused and keep moving. That's the mindset you need to develop early because skills can be learned, but staying calm under pressure is what keeps you going. If you really want to become a cruise bartender, don't just study recipes. Prepare for the real environment. Because on board, it's not about being perfect. It's about being fast, consistent, and reliable. Start practicing now, even with simple setups at home. If you learned something from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who dreams of working on a cruise ship. Again, this is Tintin, and I'm here to guide you on your journey. See you in my next video.